Good morning. I'm Mohanapriya, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Last video we are discussed about the for loop, how the for loop is initialized and checking the condition. If the condition is true, it enters into the block of statement up to until the condition is true. Once the condition getting false, it terminated from the out of the loop. This can be discussed in the last video. Now we are going to discuss about while loop. While loop is a statement used to execute a single statement or block of statement repeatedly as long as the given condition is true. While loop can be also set be addressed to the entry control loop. That means it first checking the condition, then execute the loop. The syntax for the while loop is first the variable initialization. Example, if int a equal to 1 means it is represented as a variable initialization. This next the condition, then variable increment or decrement. Here in for loop we have a single line as a for, and then open closed bracket we have a initialization, condition and increment or decrement. But here we have to use first the variable is insulated, then we have a keyword as while, and continue with the conditions in bracket, then open the statement, block of statement, variable increment or decrement. And the flow diagram for while loop is first we enter into the condition. If the condition is true, it enter into a block of statement until the condition is true. It repeatedly in a loop statement. If the condition getting false, it can come out of the statement. Example for while loop is here a small example for printing the number from 1 to 5. First we have a header file as include stdio.h. Then we have declaration part int main. When coming into the while loop, first we have to initialization, variable initialization. Here we have a data type as integer and variable as I equal to 1. From the conditions while loop, while I less than or equal to 5, if the condition is true, we have to print the statement as the I value, then the increment of I, then close the bracket. Here the output is we have a 1 to 5 printing. What we have to initialize in the program here, the I is 1. So the I is 1 means first we declared as 1 means then the test expression check 1 less than or equal to 5. The condition true means the body of the loop. The body of the loop contain print of the value. So I equal to 1 means it print the value as 1 and increased as 2. Then again we check the condition 2 less than or equal to 5. The condition is true, so we have to print the value. Likewise, we have to continually print from 1 to 5. Then it becomes 6. We have to check the condition 6 less than or equal to 5. The condition is false, so it come out of the loop. The loop is automatically terminated. Then the next thing is do while loop. Do while loop means in some situation it is necessary to execute the body of the loop before testing the condition. So it is represented as exist control loop or post control loop. So such a situation we can be handled with the help of do while loop. Do statement evaluates the body of the loop first, and at the end the condition is checked using while statement. It means the body of the loop will be executed at least once, even though the starting condition inside while is initialized to be false. So the syntax is first we have a do as a keyword, then open to a block of statement. After closing that, while the condition is given, so that only this is to be exist controlling loop. Flow diagram for the do while loop is first do with a block of statement, then the loop condition has to be executable statement having. After that we have check the condition. If the condition is true means again it initialized go looped as a do statement. If it is false means we have to come out of the loop statement. Example program, to print 10 multiples of 5. First 10 multiples of 5. So here the program we have include SDD into io.h as a header file and a declaration of void main. After that we have two values. One for the multiples of 5 we have to multiple some value with another value. So we have two types of variables and one data type. So data types as integer and variable as a comma I. The A is assigned with value 5 and I is to 1. In do statement we have to print up the value and for the operation a star I, that means a into I. Then increment up to after completing this we have a while conditions I less than or equal to 10. So here we have what output means we have the first display the first 10 numbers of multiples of 5. So means what it means first we have to check the print the value, then initializer, then we have another value 10. 10 equal to 10 means we have another 2, I equal to 2, I less than or equal to 10 means we have again print the value as 2 into 5, so the value is 10. Again come to condition and check the value, then incremented, then I is incremented as 3. Up to this we have to print it from 10 and spread the operation as a star I. Up to 10 less than or equal to 10 the condition is true. It again incremented as 11, the condition is false, so the statement is come out. So this is called a do while loop example. What is the difference between while and do while loop means? In while loop first we execute the first condition is evaluated and then execute the statement. In do while loop it execute the statement first before the evaluating the condition. It is start while loop is started beginning of the loop and do while loop is specified until after the body of the loop. The in do loop it is executed only if a certain condition is met and it terminates when the condition is false. Do while loop is always executed at least once regardless whether the condition is met.